just doing a quick opening up of this cable. I'm not expecting anything exciting here. Quite often I have problems with different cables. Obviously they break and wear and things. Some of them don't allow proper fast charging. This one's supposed to be 5 amp output, so it should do 100 watts okay. I'll actually open it up rather than, and I'll talk as I go. And I'll turn the box over so you can see it. But I bought this online, Amazon. Probably there's not much to tell you on the back. I'll hold that up. If you want to, you can pause the video and try and read that. Or maybe I'll put it this way for you. Okay. Yeah, okay, so what I was about to say is sometimes the plastic head of these cables here, sometimes they're too big, and when you've got a cover or something on a phone or cover on some of your cameras, this part, if it's too large, yeah, you can't insert the cable properly, and yeah, of course it won't charge then. Also, some of them are very thin. This looks quite reasonable quality. There's nothing nothing too much to talk about here. Okay, they're giving us a little branded cable tidy as well. These things I tend to find are annoying because when I put them in my bags and things, they seem to catch onto everything that I don't want them to catch onto, so that'll probably go disappearing pretty quick. But yeah, this one's a 2 meter cable, so sometimes I have a battery bank in a bag, and I like to charge a phone or whatever while I've got the backpack on or the bag somewhere while I'm sitting in a train or whatever. So I like that little bit of extra length sometimes. Sometimes it's annoying to have it too long as well. So, but this one helps to sort of stand out, so I shouldn't leave it behind with red. But anyway, that's about all there is probably to say on this. If I have any issue, I will put it in the comments. But yeah, I'll probably put a link later for it. And that's about all there is to say. It wasn't very expensive, let me put it that way. Okay, thanks for watching, and catch you next time.